Alright, so we've got a bit of a different style video here today. I'm going to teach you something very, very simple and about dropshipping. And if you guys didn't know, I'm going to show you guys the product that I sell. If you haven't seen my last video, it's the product that I was able to scale my store to just over 22,000. It's still growing, but I'm going to show you guys what I did once I found the product, how to find the best sort of shipping times if you're using Aliexpress, how to find if they stock in Australia, if they can ship from Australia, and if not, if they can do faster shipping times using ePacket, which you'll see in the video here. I'm going to have the screen up around here somewhere. We're going to get straight into it. So basically, I'm going to have my screen up here right next to me. So I'm going to show you guys here what I did for my teeth cleaner. And basically what I did was I just typed in teeth cleaner and saw what came. And this is what ePacket is. ePacket is just a faster kind of shipping, when shipping from China. But basically what we can do is we can see the price, and this is pretty much very, very similar to what I had, in terms of my teeth cleaner. So let's just say here, first what we want to do is we want to come through and go to ship from Australia. So this is going to show you what kind of teeth cleaners we actually have that ship from Australia, and we'll see how cheap they are. Let's just go to this one here. I haven't checked this out yet, so I'm just doing this on the fly. So you've actually got the option to ship from both. So let's just see how long it takes to ship from Australia. So what we've got here is, delivered before 13th of the 2nd. So let's just say, so today is what, the 30th that I'm filming this. So 31st, so yeah, that's about, 14 days? It says there, if I'm correct, about 14 days for the shipping. Otherwise, what you can do is go to China, click on China, 13 to 20 days. So this one's actually pretty good. So I would take either of these. So as you can see here, it's got free shipping anyway. So if we click on the green one here, 17.24. If we go China, 16.91. But it's the same price anyway because they've got $1 shipping anyway for ePacket. So the shipping on that's quite good. Now let's just do this for another product, and it's not going to be the same for all products, but this is all you do. So when it says ship from Australia here and you order it, it actually ships from within Australia. Now don't ask me why it takes longer. It takes pretty much the same amount of time with shipping from Australia or shipping ePacket China. Don't ask me why. I haven't delved into that just yet, but I'm just letting you guys know that sometimes this ePacket from China can take anywhere from like 40 to 50 days or 30 to 40 days, whatever it is. That's why it's good to check to see if they can ship from Australia. Now, this is if you're selling in Australia. I'm niching this for Aussies, but you can do the same thing for the United States as well. And just make sure here as well that you're checking that you're shipping to Australia. You can actually change this to, say, the US as well, or Canada, or wherever you want, and it'll tell you how long it'll take to ship there. So, let's do this for another product. I had this one in mind before making this video. Let's just see, in terms of drones, what they have here. So let's just say we're selling this one here. Let's see what kind of drones they have, shipped from Australia. So this one looks like a similar one to what we saw on the first page. So we'll click on that, and let's see what we've got here. Let's see how long it takes. So let's say we want to ship from Australia. I'm not sure what this is here. It must be a pack. That's a 4K pack by the looks of it. So 20th of the 2nd, or full refund, guaranteed delivery. So yeah, that's anywhere from 15 to 20 days. Then from China here. So as you can see here, even though we've got, let's just see, these guys might not have ePacket. So these guys don't have ePacket. So that's why it's going to take so long. ePacket's the fastest shipping. So let's just say we'll go back. We'll go back here to the drones, and we'll see if there's anything. See, it does say ePacket here, but I think it also depends on the country as well. So let's just say we'll go to this one here. This one's a bit more expensive. Maybe this one you probably sell for around 800 to 1,000. Who knows? I don't know too much about drones, but we'll go here and we'll ship from China and see if it wants to show up. There we go. So China, 24 to 49 days. Not sure if they have ePacket as well. I think as well, ePacket is probably more likely to be on smaller products. I haven't checked this out with bigger products, but it's always good to see. So they must be out of stock in Australia, but it's always good to see you know what's available, and there's so many suppliers on here. Let's just do this one here. Let's just do a blackhead remover, blackhead vacuum. If you guys have seen these ones around as well, these ones usually sell pretty well. So let's just see here, we'll ship from Australia, see what they've got in terms of that. Let's just go to this one here, see what the shipping is like. So from Australia, let's choose this color here, gold. So yeah, again, that's 12 to 20 days in terms of shipping. It's guaranteed by the 13th of the 2nd. So not too bad. Now let's just see if we go from China. So that's Swiss Post. Do they have e-packet? They do have e-packet, but it is an extra $4 for shipping. Apply. So all up, so it's going to be what, around $15, $15 maybe $16. And then we've got from Australia, it's the same price anyway, so it's pretty much the same thing in terms of that. So that's pretty much all there is to this video. It's very, very simple stuff, but this is all on Aliexpress for drop shipping, and like I said, I've niched it down to Aussies as well. So if you are interested in doing this kind of thing and you want to sell from Aliexpress, it's probably the easiest way to get started. But this is just one little tip that I did for my product, just to make sure that the shipping times aren't 30 to maybe 50 days, because you don't want your customers to wait too long. Now with this, you might be thinking, it's 12 to 20 days too long anyway, because if you get a really good supplier that's from Australia that's not on AliExpress, you could probably get something between like 5 to 7 day shipping. But look, what I do with my product when I source it from AliExpress, I'm just very direct with my customer. I make sure that I clearly state on the product page and on the shipping page that the shipping is going to take anywhere from 12 to 20 days, and that includes the lead time with the manufacturer, or the supplier I should say, getting ready with the product and whatnot. So I hope this helps you guys anyway. Go ahead and check out do some product research on AliExpress as well, and make sure to check that they've got that e-packet shipping, or at least shipping from within Australia as well. There's so many different things you can niche down in this as well. Like you can say here fast shipping and free shipping, free return, all that kind of stuff, and you can actually narrow it down to see what you want. But once you've found a product, go ahead and go onto AliExpress and see what you can find. But apart from that, guys, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like and subscribe if you're new to this channel and you like this kind of content. I always niche my stuff down for Aussies, because I know there's not a lot of Aussie content out there. I want to help you guys out as much as I can. Apart from that, hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys very soon.